Good morning guys! So after a few years, magkakasama na uli kami ni Mario ng Canada Day na wala akong pasok.
Few years now it's
Ano?
yeah 3.
3 years na hindi ako nag-Canada Day na celebration kasi I'm always at work. So today is the day. Pupunta kami sa South Fraser Way. We're gonna park sa may Save on Foods and manonood ng parade. And ilang degrees ngayon, love ko? Init.
Oh no, it's not bad. Just 21 right now.
21 degrees guys, but it's already too hot. Way too hot for me. So, we'll see you there sa parade. So guys, nandito na kami. So, ito yung itsura. Ayan o. Ayan. Madami. Love ko. Sobrang dami na ng tao. Pero mainit, wala kaming ano, dapat nag-sunscreen ako, pero whatever, it's okay, it's fine.
Mas maganda sana kung maaga tayo.
Kung maaga kami, nandun kami sa may lidim, pero wala eh, ganito talaga ang life. Next time!
Happy Canada Day! Kukunin ko lang yan pa.
Go get Happy! So guys, tapos na yung parade. We only shot a few shots and or videos dun sa parade dahil konti lang talaga kasi ayaw naman namin na masyadong mahaba. Anyways, comparing this dun sa last Canada Day ko, mas prefer ko yung mga nakaraang Canada Day parade kasi mas maganda. But this year it seems like it's lacking, parang tahimik. Diba? Ibang vibe this year. Although masaya pa rin, but still, it's different in some ways. So, yeah, anyways, we'll end it here. We're gonna go now sa Midori, mag-all you can eat Japanese food kami kasi gutom na ako, tombuts na. And we need to have lunch kasi hindi pa ako makain si Mario. And I'm really hungry. So, anyways, happy Canada Day, guys! Hope you're having fun. And later tonight, dito sa Abbotsford, magkakaroon ng fireworks sa stadium. So, we'll see you guys there.